Hey everybody, welcome back to Kentucky Valley Life. We got a pretty neat little project we're getting ready to do. I'm going to be adding a ceiling fan in our living room in our old trailer we're living in up there. We like to have ceiling fans and we don't have one in the living room, so we're going to put one in there. And I'm just going to be running all the electric. It's going to be run on the outside of the wall on the ceiling, and I'm going to be tying into an existing light that we've already got in there. So I'll show you more about that when we get to that part. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using what's called wire mold to run it on my electric, and our ceiling is paneling, so I'm just going to take this wire mold so it doesn't stick out so bad, or a little bit less than what it will, and I'm going to paint it brown. And so we're going to get started on this, and it's going to have to dry, so we probably won't get to it till tomorrow, but in the time of the video it'll just be done just like that. So we'll see you in a few minutes. And just like that, we've got everything painted. In case you're wondering about me being in a ventilated area, that little window right there is open, and I do have a garage door, another door open, so it's ventilated, even though I am ready to get out of here now. So we'll see you when we come back to put everything in. Alright, here's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be taking that round box, if you saw it on the video where I was painting it. It's going to be a round box. Going to mount right here on this, looks like a cross, on those pieces of wood. We're going to be running our water mold right down the ceiling there on that strip of wood over. Then we're going to make a turn. We're going to come along the ceiling there, and we're going to be mounting a box. And then this piece of wire right there is going to used to go to a light fixture. I'm going to have a hole up here by the ceiling in the wall. I'm going to pull that wire back up, put it in that box to tie it on with the light switch. It's by the front door, and then we'll run our wires in that wire mold over and put our fan up. So like I said, we'll probably be doing that tomorrow or in the next video. Alright everybody, all the paint's dry and we're getting ready to start the installation. So I hope you enjoy it. Alright, here's what we've got so far. We've got my mounting box, my mounting plate for where my ceiling fan is going to go. And it comes with some lag bolts. You put these 2 lag bolts in there, and you need to, if at all possible, you need to have those going into wood above the ceiling, like your wood trusses, and so you can get a good grip on the box, and because to carry the weight of your ceiling fan. I went ahead and threw some extra screws in there because I don't know how good it is above the ceiling there. So, but that's not going anywhere. And then there's my what some people might call conduit. It's called wire mold. I'm going to be putting my wire inside there. And I had to add a piece of wood here going across to where my junction box is going to be, because I need to stay on a flat surface. I wanted to get a fitting, a 90-degree fitting to go right there, called an offset 90, twisted 90, but they only had flat ones at the hardware store. So anyway, I made it work, and it doesn't look bad. Then over here, that wire, it was down here where our old light fixture was on the wall. So I just got a hole at the top of the ceiling, put a string down the wall, tied onto it, and pulled it back up. And that's where my junction point's going to be. That's going over to the light switch. So we just turn that on and turn our fan on. So that's what we've got so far. And here is the finished product. We had a few little hiccups, but no big deal. This is a low ceiling anyway, so we're not going to be putting a light kit on this. We're just using this to give us some air. I still got to get a blank cover for the box over here, and I'm going to get me a brown, dark brown Sharpie magic marker to touch up a few places. But here's the finished product, and it just runs off the switch by the door. If we want to add a light kit, we can, but I mean, seriously, this is bottom of this fan is probably just over, I don't know, 6.5 foot, if that. I haven't measured it. So anybody tall walks in here will have to have a warning sign for them. But it's sure going to help us feel a lot better, because right over here is our 2 chairs where we like to sit, watch TV. That's going to give us some more air. We've got AC in here, but you know, that's going to help distribute the air a little bit more too. There's a vent right down there by the wall, so it's going to help out a whole lot. All right, well, this is the end of this video. I know it wasn't too detailed, but I didn't think you need to see everything. But maybe if put it in the comments if you'd like to see more details on that stuff. And we're going to have more electrical stuff coming up in the future too. So for now, just hit the like button if you like these videos, and subscribe and share and tell your friends about us. We just sure appreciate y'all, and God bless. Have a good day.